Hello friends, welcome to SSDN Technologies. Today we will discuss about coding and programming. We have uploaded many videos related to various programming languages, but today I will brief you about coding and programming. So let's have a look at today's agenda. First, we will initiate the discussion with the introduction of both. Then we will compare on the basis of tools, skills, approach, outcome, and finally the conclusion. What is coding? Coding is basically the act of translating code from human language to machine based language. If you want to become a coder, you need to be able to write a code in different programming languages such as Python, Java, C. The coder is multilingual and works with the same attitude as someone who facilitates communication between people who speak different languages. It can also be called as a subset of programming. Now let's have a look at the programming. The programming is the superset of coding. It means the programming is a bigger aspect than coding. It is the process of developing an executable software program that is implemented without any errors. It is the programmer's responsibility to analyze the program in the code and provide the solutions. Here are the few steps that you will need to carry out. First, planning the application. Second, designing it. Third, testing its features. Fourth, deploying and maintenance. And fifth, maintaining it after it's finished. This altogether is known as programming. Let's compare the both on the basis of tools. Coding does not require so many software tools as it is just an act of code translation from human language to machine language. A simple text editor like WordPad, Notepad is sufficient. However, nowadays IDE and debug tools like Bootstrap and Atom is also used. On the other hand, the programmer have to perform analysis that require extra tools. The tools required for code analysis, code generator databases, testing framework, compiler and GUI assembler and modeling algorithm. Tools such as Apache Spark Cloud will be used. Let's compare the both on the basis of skills. Coding is the initial step of programming, so coders should have the basic knowledge of programming languages and their syntax and keywords. Coders need to have a thorough understanding of the project working language. However, they mainly code as per the project needs and instructed information, while the programmers should have experience creating algorithms, modeling problems, processing data, and managing projects. Write logic, analyze, design, and write complex programs. These are just some of the practical skills needed. Programmers also apply their imagination and analytical skills to help them and solve specific problems. Now we will compare on the basis of approach. The coder follows a trial and error approach and needs no previous preparations, while the programmer usually handled a communication approach in a much matured way. They analyze, conceptualize the different aspects of the programming and produce correct machine output accordingly. Let's look at the outcome of both. While coding, your expected outcome is a simple solution or a small part of the project. The code acts as an instruction given to the computer. On the other hand, the programming yields whole application, software, products or a website that is ready to use. Let's look at the conclusion. After comparing both coding versus programming over a range of factors, it can be concluded that even though coding and programming are often termed as synonymous, but in reality, there is a lot of difference between coding and programming. Any software products can be developed by use both coding and programming, while coding is the initial step that deals with the translating the requirements and writing the set of codes. The programming deals with the next different aspects of the executable programs to produce the proper machine level outputs as per the given human inputs. Thus it basically involves all the critical parameters from debugging and compiling to testing and implementation of the software product. You have made it far and you have a decent idea of what the whole programming versus coding deal is all about. Now, if you want to learn any of the programming languages, you can join SSDN Technologies.